Hey guys, it's Scott with the No Budget Homestead. And today what I would like to do is just kind of do a little review video of something that really helps me a lot. And something that I thought, you guys, if you haven't gotten one of these items, then I would highly recommend it. And that would be either the Haynes or a Chilton manual for the vehicle of your choice. Okay, I like to use Haynes because it's based off of a teardown of the entire vehicle. And they take pictures and everything, and I'll show you all this here in just a few moments. But it's something that really comes in handy, and I just thought I would share this with you and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, here's the Haynes manual that I use to help me keep my Jeep up and working and everything. Like I mentioned before, it's a Haynes repair manual, and it covers the Jeep Patriot and Compass from 2007 to 2017, all gasoline models. Okay, it's really a nice book to have, even for reference. Even if you're familiar with your vehicle and you've had it for a while like I have, I still went out and got one of these as soon as it came available, because I've been looking for one and I haven't been able to find it. But I went ahead and found one, and this is it here, and I figured I'll just show you a couple of pages in it. And here's the back of it. Okay, and they actually, from what I understand, they take the entire vehicle apart and then they put it back together, and they take pictures along the way and give you proper procedures and step-by-step instructions on how to do things. And it really has helped me quite a bit. So, okay, some of the things I kind of show you here. It kind of goes into different conversion factors, which may or may not help you much. Basically, starting with a battery booster, jacking and towing your car, some of the different types of special tools that are available. But it's really nice book that's really helped us quite a bit and everything. So if you ain't got one, it'd be good to get. You can learn a little something about your vehicle that you may not have known. Okay, very clear pictures, black and white. Sometimes I wish they were in color, but they're black and white. Of course, if it was color, it'd be a lot more. Even gives you a maintenance schedule, what you need to go through. Something you should keep into consideration for however many miles your vehicle has. I've tried to stick to this all the way up to about 100, and after 100,000 miles or so, I just made sure I kept the oil changed and everything, and I still have gotten the transmission serviced, the CVT transmission. It's good to get that service and everything. The Jeep seems to run a little bit better once it's done. In my area, it's anywhere from $220 to $300 to get that done, and apparently it can only be done by the dealer from what they've told me. Granted, we know how that goes. So lots of different areas it covers. I mean, it gets pretty in-depth in detail, as you guys can see. Diagrams and step-by-step instructions, notes on what you should consider and be aware of. I mean, whether it has to do with everything, basically from the pavement up. It helps you, it kind of covers it and helps you out here. This is something that I really liked, was the ODB2 trouble codes. Now this has most of the common ones and what the issues are. So it's a pretty extensive little manual. You can get this online also. Like when I bought this manual, got it a while ago. They also had a special on at the time where I can get the online manual for 2 weeks, but I never did take advantage of that. I love my coffee. So, yeah, this has been real helpful for me. I know the pages look really nice and clean, and the book looks pretty much brand new. Because it is fairly new, I've gone through and I read up and study on different things that I need to do to my Jeep and what I can do and how to do it and everything, and then I go and do it. Okay, sometimes I'll have the book with me open up and I'll flip through the pages, but typically not too often. because I usually pretty good about remembering a lot of the different things. Okay, amazing, even how to remove body panels, and oh, it really is a really good tool. Here is the schematics of the electrical systems, which can come in handy if any of you guys out there understand any of this stuff. So yeah, I mean, it's got a lot of stuff there. So a pretty good index on how to find things. So yeah, I would highly recommend. Oh, this is something that was really interesting. Common spark plug conditions and everything. It kind of gives you full color pictures of when you change your plugs out, what to look for, what it could mean, depending upon what you see. Thankfully, I haven't really seen anything bad here when I've taken the plugs out. Thank God, you know, knock on wood. So, but yeah, this is the Haynes manual. Now, I do have a link below. Okay, so it's right below in the description there to our Amazon affiliate link for this manual and everything. And I do have to give you the disclaimer that if you do use that link, then we here in the No Budget Homestead, Little Man and I, will earn a very small little commission on that, okay? So we'd really appreciate it, really help us out and everything. And I know the holiday season's coming up, and if you use that link and whatever you purchase at the time that you use that link, we do make a small commission on that. We truly appreciate that. So if you have any questions or comments, please put it down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that subscribe button, ring that bell there and everything, so you'll be notified when we get more videos being published and everything. And if you guys have a vehicle that you're trying to do your own work on, these manuals are excellent. Okay? Alright. Well, we'll see y'all in the next video. God bless you. Take care.